Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by signing up on Bitget with your email or phone number. Then verify your identity using KYC by uploading a government ID and a selfie. Verification typically completes within 24 to 48 hours, depending on volume. Choose a strong, unique password of at least 12 characters and avoid reuse from other services to reduce risk. Immediately enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, rather than SMS for better security, and back up the recovery codes in a safe location. To buy crypto, first deposit funds. Transfer crypto to your Bitget wallet address or add fiat using a bank card or bank transfer, noting any minimums and fees. Card purchases may charge a higher fee. Choose between market orders to buy immediately at current price or limit orders to set a target price. Use stop limit to control downside risk. Review maker and taker fees, minimum trade sizes, and total cost, including network withdrawal fees, before confirming the trade to avoid surprises. After buying, consider transferring long-term holdings to a hardware wallet for cold storage if you plan to hold for months or years. Keep small balances on the exchange only for active trading. Maintain detailed records of each buy, sell, fee, and internal transfer, with timestamps and dollar values to calculate cost basis and gains accurately. Review your local tax rules. U.S. taxpayers may receive Form 1099 for certain activities and must report crypto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.